If you're struggling with haptic feedback not working on your iPhone, don't panic. I'll walk you through a few quick ways to fix it. First, make sure haptics are enabled. And for that, go to your Settings app and scroll down, then tap on Sounds and Haptics. Here, make sure System Haptics is turned on. Then, go back to the main settings menu and tap on Accessibility. After that, go into touch and ensure vibration is enabled. Next, if your iPhone is in silent mode, haptics might not work as expected. Toggle the ring or silent switch and test again. After that, restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can bring the haptics back to life. And also make sure your iPhone is running on latest iOS version. And if nothing else works, try resetting all settings. And for that, go back to the main settings menu and tap on General. Then scroll all the way down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap on Reset and choose Reset All Settings from the options. This will not delete your data but will restore default preferences. And that's all. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.